Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at using else and elif statements for handling complex conditions in Python. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. The if, elif, else structure in Python helps evaluate multiple conditions and execute different code blocks. The if statement tests the first condition, elif checks subsequent conditions, and else runs if none of the criteria are met. This structure is essential for clean, readable code in complex decision-making scenarios. The if, elif, else control structure in Python evaluates multiple conditions and executes different code blocks. It's useful for handling complex decisions while keeping the code clean and readable. The if statement checks the first condition and runs its block if true. If false, the elif statement checks the next condition. If none are true, the else block executes. We're going to look at 9 detailed examples demonstrating the use of else and elif statements for handling complex conditions in Python programming. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here's our first example. This code evaluates student scores and assigns grades based on predefined thresholds, ensuring consistent and fair grading. In our second example, this code categorizes a person's age into groups such as child, teen, adult, or senior. For our third example, this code determines discount rates by considering both membership levels and the total cart value. Different membership levels receive specific discounts, and the total cart value also influences the discount rate. In this example, the code determines the state of water based on the temperature input. It identifies if water is in a solid, liquid, or gas state by checking the temperature ranges. In our fifth example, this code checks if a year is a leap year using complex condition. It ensures accuracy by considering division rules. Here's our example number 6. This code is designed to validate user credentials and provide appropriate responses based on the validation results. In our 7th example, this code determines whether a number is positive, negative, or 0. In example 8, this code simulates a traffic light system using an if, elif, else statement. In our last example, this code calculates body mass index or BMI using weight and height inputs. It then categorizes the BMI results into underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obesity. In summary, the if, elif, else structure helps manage complex decisions by categorizing conditions hierarchically, ensures clean, readable, and efficient code. Examples include assigning grades, validating user input, and we included 9 practical examples that you can use as a baseline for incorporation into your programs. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you an in-depth look at using compound conditions and if statements in Python. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.